Story of Nepal. Something which you must and should know. In 2012, I have visited Nepal. I have a beautiful memory of the country. The people are bright, nice, welcoming like Tibetans. I even took a photo in front of Bodhnath in Kathmandu. I bought a boat in Pheva Lake in Pokhara. Even I threw a puppy in the air, but don't worry, I caught it back. Nepal and Tibet share a lot of similarities. Even many of us looks the same. But now, this beautiful country is changing. Tibetans are denied refugee status, documentation, being arrested, being sent back to Tibet. China's grip is getting tighter, letting no space for human rights. On the Feb of 13th, 2013, just after my visit in Nepal, a Tibetan man have self-immolated in front of Bodhnath, Kathmandu. So sign this petition by Tibetan Center for Human Rights to safeguard the human rights of Nepal and Tibet. You can change. Your one petition matters. Save Tibet, save Nepal, save human rights.